Hello everyone. If you're facing this error on Roblox, you were banned from this experience with the error code 600, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp, you're going to go into this link, you're going to download latest stable release, and while it's downloading, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser settings and then you're going to search for DNS here. You're going to click on choose a service provider and you're going to select Cloudflare here. And after that, you're going to open your start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here app data. Go into local. You're going to delete Roblox folder from here. You're also going to search for temp here and then delete Roblox from here as well. And after you're done deleting both of those, you're going to install Cloudflare Warp. And once you're done installing it, you're going to open it up. And then you're going to go into the settings icon. You're going to set it to 1.1.1 with warp and you're going to connect it. And after it's done connecting, you're going to open your web browser up. You're going to search for Roblox. And now you can go ahead and play any game you want. Your error code 600 has been fixed. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.